At a time when the Bavarians have gone ahead and discontinued their flagship 520i, the guys at Audi have gone ahead and given us this, the new 2014 Audi A6. The new A6 is now available with a 2-litre TFSI engine, which, to be honest, does sound rather measly. But then Audi promises us that their tuning wizardry and the all-aluminium die that this new car is on have made the 7th generation the most drool-worthy A6 yet. I am Alok Jaikar for Exhibit Magazine, and I'm here to see what exactly this German thoroughbred can do. From the outside, the new A6 is much like its predecessor, which isn't really a bad thing. The big Audi is still bold and extremely masculine. Build quality is still top-notch, and its presence exudes an air of quiet confidence. This new A6 is now 80 kgs lighter thanks to the new aluminium composite used in its chassis and body frame. This goes a long way in helping with overall performance and fuel efficiency. The exterior is a typical Audi, perfect fit and finish, nothing, no complaints. Let's get in and see what this car can do. I like the sound of that. A nice healthy thunk is always good. Slip into the Audi and it fits you like a glove. Everything is right where it should be. Intuitive, practical and beautifully designed. Quality of materials are top notch, but that is what you would expect from a car in this segment. The buttons feel good, knobs are perfectly designed and placed. Quality of plastics used is fantastic. Only slight grouse that I have with the interiors would be this wooden finish, which does tend to cheapen the look of the cabin, but that again is a personal opinion. The beautiful 8-inch screen helps you control everything you want to at the flick of a button. And Audi's MMI is super intuitive and easy to use. Black leather all around, coupled with your stainless steel brush and your wooden interior, give this cabin a very good feel. This is one cabin I would not have no complaints spending time in. It's safe to say that if you own this car, there's a good chance that you will spend a lot of time in the back seat. So while the front is spectacular, let's hop in the back and see what that looks like. Hop into the back, and this is a spectacular place to be in this car. Extremely comfortable, plenty of under-thigh support, legroom is great, headroom is great. Keep in mind I'm 6'2", and I still have a couple of inches to play with. One thing I love about the back is these two little switches over here. They help you adjust your passenger seat front and back to increase and decrease the legroom as required. Definite plus point in this car. Since the dimensions of this new Audi are the same as all the other A6s, it still has that massive boot, but that boot can now be controlled at the touch of one button. Simply click this one right here and the boot pops open right up. 530 liters of space in this boot ensures that you have more than enough space for the luggage for your annual vacation. Now a 2-liter engine in a car of this size may seem a little bit inadequate, but the engineers of Audi have a solution for that. What they have done is use aluminium all throughout the chassis of this car. The doors and the body also use a lot of aluminium components, due to which we see 80 kgs lighter than the previous model. Also, they have the FSI technology here, which is a turbocharged engine, same engine that's used in the Q3. 177 horsepower and 230 Newton meters of torque. This should be fun to drive. Although these figures are respectable, it is real-world performance where the Audi truly shines. The A6 is alert, readily responding to light taps at the throttle, and in spite of the turbocharger, there's only a negligible amount of lag. The A6 has an 8-step, continuously variable transmission that has enough ratios to give a math equation a serious complex. Now, the Audi A6 2.0 TFSI might not be the most fun to drive, or for that matter, the most luxurious to be in. But what it is complete. It does everything well and is super versatile. This car is my pick for luxury sedan 2014.